I'm Agent Dorsanee, also known as southfloridabraids on Instagram. Today I'm going to be talking all about passion twists, where I get my hair from, who is my favorite supplier, and different techniques you can use to install the hair. So let's get into the video. Previously, I used to use Free Tresses Water Wave to do passion twists. I would recommend that to my clients. I would use it on myself. But then I came across my now favorite supplier of passion twist hair, and that is Dorsanee. So Dorsanee is a company on Amazon that supplies hair, different crochet and braiding hair. But I particularly love their passion twist hair, and that is what I use the brand for. So the main difference that I have found between using Dorsanee's passion twist and Free Tresses passion twist are the ends. So Dorsanee has tightly defined spiral at the end of each twist, or at the end of the loose hair. It gives you that really defined, passion twist look, especially at the ends. And that is something that I didn't really find with the Water Wave by Free Tresses. That's the major thing for me, but also the price. So you definitely pay a lot less by shopping online compared to buying Free Tresses Water Wave at your local beauty supply store, which is approximately $8 a pack. With Dorsanee, you're probably gonna spend less than $50 or $35 even for 7 packs of passion twist hair that can typically do your whole head. That's another reason why I recommend Dorsanee. Also with Dorsanee, you're getting a crochet needle and hair accessories, so braid cuffs to accessorize your braids. So for passion twist, like all other braids, there are 3 techniques you can use. You can either do a full crochet where you're cornrowing your whole head and crocheting in the pre-twisted passion twist, or you can do a full head of individuals where you're parting boxes and twisting individuals all over your head, or you can do a hybrid, and that's actually what I have in right now. So my edges are individual passion twists, and then I have corners going back where I just crocheted in the pre-twisted passion twist in. And these passion twists are the pre-twisted passion twists in the color T30, and they're 12 inches, which I will link in the description box below. For the individuals, I just take the pre-twisted crochet hair and then I just unravel it into 2 strands and then create the twist at the front for the edges. And so that's one method, and I am someone who is always switching up my hair, so this saves me a lot of time. This method takes about 2 hours, whereas doing a full head of individual passion twists can take around 5 hours to do. Here is a clip of my sister rocking her individuals. This is the 18-inch passion twist hair in the color T30. I just love the ombre color. It definitely accentuates the curls. It draws a light to your hair and your curls for sure. Here are some pictures of the regular passion twist loose hair. I believe this was in the 18-inch or the 22-inch. I will link that in the description box below. It was definitely the color T30, the same as this short 12-inch that I'm rocking right now. But I just love the look of these passion twists. The quality of the hair is amazing, and again, just that defined spiral at the end of each twist compared to what I've seen with like other types of passion twist hair. This is why I love Dorsanee. If you guys try out this hair and you like it, leave a review on Amazon. It definitely helps out the supplier and business owner to be more visible, and it helps people looking for really good quality hair to connect with the supplier. And if you guys are unable to install this hair yourself, definitely head over to Instagram and send a message or a DM at southfloridabraids and I'll definitely hook you up, girl. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.